All right, so today we're gonna be checking out this ceramic headlight restoration kit from Karofsky, maybe? I don't know, I don't even know how to pronounce that. But anyway, it says it's 3 easy steps, right? We're gonna remove oxidation, prepare the surface, and ceramic coat. I'm not gonna bother reading any of that stuff because I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos, which means that I am a certified professional. Let's get started. All right, so this is the car that we're gonna be working on today. As you can see, we have some pretty severe oxidation. I don't know if you can really tell how bad it is, but on my end, it is yellow. As you can see, I've already masked it up. This is the provided masking tape. I doubled it up in some sections just in case, I don't know, it's hot out here. If I slip up, mess up this 20-year-old perfect paint. I don't want to do all that. Anyway, let's keep on going. All right, step 3. I've already sanded, gone through the 2000, the 3000. Now let's see what this will do. All right, so my curiosity is getting the best of me. These Mustangs on the back flap, you see the oxidation there on the bottom? I really feel like this might actually help. So I'm gonna go through the motions. I'm gonna go do it, some sand, step 1, sandpaper, step 2. I'm just gonna reuse what I have. I mean, I was gonna wrap this with vinyl anyway in a different video, but I'm just gonna see what it does. Okay, so I put the ceramic coat on it. And I don't know if that looks any better. Any worse, really. Okay, guys, so for 15 bucks, is it worth it? Absolutely. I mean, I gave myself about 45 minutes to an hour, interruptions, and things of that nature. But again, 15 bucks, definitely worth it. And if you're strategic about it, you can get 2 cars done with the same kit. I didn't give you before on this one, but just trust it wasn't that purdy. But it certainly wasn't as bad as the Scion. So anyway, definitely worth the money.